Week 13, going to jump to Google Sheets. Let me show you here. We're going to create a Google Sheet that is self-correcting facts from 1 to 10. And you're going to do multiplication, that symbol. That is division. Then, of course, addition and subtraction. And you need to know those 4 symbols. You're going to be mad, mostly at me. And then we're going to make a worksheet. And we're going to use the tabs at the bottom. They're clearly marked. And then we're going to make it usable, meaning so that you can use it for your students. And then at the end, when you're done with all 4 of them, you're going to insert in your Google site. And you're going to share it with me so I can edit it and leave comments on it. And now you know how to share it to my Google. So let me give you a look at what it looks like. It's like this. For example, you're going to do multiplication here on the bottom, division, addition and subtraction in those tabs like that. And I want it to look like this. I thought about giving you this, but I want you to create this by space. You don't have to do you can do this. These are really too dark. So I would do something lighter here. So it's not quite as heavy like that, but you put these in. So let me show you. This would be an easier one here. For example, if I say the answer to this is 1, it corrects. If I say here it's 1, it says, great, it's correct. And so you will do that all the way across 1 through 10 and make it, I want nice big font. I don't want tiny little light colored things. I'm at 14, but it's got to be bigger than the normal 10 or something like that. And here they go all the way down to 10. And what you can do, of course, as you know, you could make this first one in multiplication, and then you can duplicate it, like right here, and then go in and edit it to correct it for division. Okay, wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. Now, if you do it that way, know this. This is what I get every semester. I'm always in shock at this. So if this happens, I'm going to blow red smoke out of my ears. If you do this over and you make this division and you put the slash there, that one there, that doesn't do this. So now if I say this 10 divided by 4 should be 2.5. Okay, so you got to fix this. All right. And how to fix it, you come up here and make a slash there. And now it says correct. Now, hear me. This is the part that'll drive me nuts. We would never teach kids these facts of 10 divided by 4. How about this one? 10 divided by 3, 10 divided by 7, 10 divided by 8. Would you expect kids to multiply those? Anyone? Anyone? Well, of course not. So what this is, it goes the other way. If you're going to use this, you have to do this. For example, let's use this one. 10 times 4. Let's do this one. 10 times 5 is 50. If you're going to do it the other way here, you got to go like this. 50 divided by 10, if you're doing the 10s or the 4. And you still would put the equal in here. Okay. And that gets a little crazy. What you want to do on this one, so if this doesn't go crazy, here, I'll show you this. When you're doing this, you're going to email me and say you can't get to work. Make a space first and then equal. And then it works. If you try and just put that in there without the space, it's going to go crazy. And now, how do you make this formula? Well, I have it here for you, and you can modify this. So you can simply copy this and bring it down into this. And it's not here, it's here. Paste that in. Okay. And what I say here is, I have to change this. If E42 is equal to A42. Let's see. No, if E42 is equal to A42 slash mean divide C42. I get the wrong place? Okay. Let's see. E42 is nothing. That's nothing. But if E42 is equal to A42 divided by C42, correct. This is E. Like E42. E42, if A42. Oh, here's what's wrong. I got too many in here. If E42, now we got it. If E42 is equal to A42 divided by C142. I'm off a little. I'm way down here. There. So this is how you make this. All if-then statements is called. So don't just flip. Same with division, addition to division, subtraction. If you say, for example, you would never teach kids, 3 minus 10, be a negative number. So then this would be 13 minus 10, 12 minus 9, like that. You fix that up just like we did here. Okay. So you're going to make a nice page, and then you're going to insert it. And I don't want you to give away the farm here when you're showing this. And in fact, I might take this one down because I don't want you copying this. But I want you inserting it in yours and shared with me. And it can be only me or whatever. But I want to be able to get into it. And you know how to share here. I'm not going to go through that. But that's what you got. Just like this. And then I'm going to show you some more about this on the next assignment. I'll let you get this set up. But I want it to be nice looking, nice colors. This really is set up for conditional formatting, it's called. That's why it's like this. And it's I can show you that sometime too, conditional formatting. And what I'm going to show you eventually is you can have this so they can see the correct answers, or maybe they don't. Maybe you hide them or something like that. I'll go through that the next time, what to do with that. Okay, so that's it. This. You don't have to have the colors in it if you don't want to. Okay, I say here, you would never teach students on division that way. And this one should look like that. But don't miss the subtraction, because we wouldn't do this 3 minus 2, 3 threes like this. Okay, so this is wrong. The subtraction is wrong here.